I am Ashlyn Ooi, 26, finalist of Miss International Malaysia 2023, and I am from Malaysia's Pearl of the Orient, Penang. Growing up in Penang has instilled in me a sense of community, compassion, and the understanding that unity is the strength that binds us together. Penang beautifully encapsulates the Malaysian culture, cuisine, heritage, and tradition. As I proudly wear the Nyonya costume, I appreciate its significance, thankful that such traditions endure. My pageantry journey has never been easy. Despite struggles, it helps me discover my inner strength to keep pushing forward and understand what truly matters to me. My dream is to showcase Penang's vibrant culture on the global platform, allowing the world to witness Malaysia's timeless allure. I am Ashlyn Ooi from Penang, finalist of Miss International Malaysia 2023.